So you're looking for an online money-making course that actually works. And by works, you probably mean like if you follow all of the directions, you can actually earn real money, right? That's what I'm assuming you're here for, right? So if you are, don't worry, I got you. You're good. You're at the right spot. You're watching the right video, all right? If you want a money-making course that actually works, what you want to do is get IPS, not IBS. You don't want that. You want IPS, Infinity Processing System. Now, what this system is actually a online digital training program that teaches people how to use their social media to generate commissions. All right. So it actually teaches you step by step everything you need to know to be successful as an online marketer. Now, once you are a member of IPS, you are able to start generating instant commissions by promoting the program. So it's one of them, you can earn while you're learning type situations, because you can earn anywhere from $50 commissions, $150 commissions, and yes, my favorite, $300 commissions. All right. So the cool thing is, a lot of people are like, yeah, but what I'm saying, like, so you got to promote IPS, right? That's the only way. Like, it ain't no real training. No, it is training. So you don't have to promote IPS, the system, to make money. I do, because it's a dope program, and why not? You know what I'm saying? It helps people. So if you don't want to promote that, the things that you learn, and I try to tell people this all the time, the things that you learn in Infinity Processing System can help you across the board. It can help you to promote any product or service that you have. It teaches you how to market using social media. It teaches you how to make money on YouTube. It teaches you how to do it using Facebook, using Instagram, using TikTok. Right? It even teaches you how to use free classified ads to start generating income online. So IPS is a training course, and it actually does work. So as I'm talking, I'm actually going to put up testimonials from our private Facebook group. And if you want to get invited to that group, just let me know. I'll get you in there. But you can see there are a lot of people in our group making some serious money from this program. And this is actually them promoting IPS, not to mention the what they're learning that can help them promote other things that they have going on. But this is the point. If you are serious about making money online, you're into affiliate marketing, IPS is a dope training system. Even if you don't want to promote IPS, you don't want to earn the commissions, that's fine. If you just want the education, affiliate marketing, online business education, then IPS is still an amazing offer that you should really check out, especially if you're planning on using social media to generate an income online. This is definitely a 5-star program. And like I said, just check it out for yourself. You know what I mean? Check it out for yourself. Like I said, if you want to get involved with the invited to the payment proof group, just let me know. You can do that. The link below. Just put your information in. Get on my list and just reach out to me, and I will get you in the Facebook group so you can check it out for yourself. Or you can just get started with the system, the program, and you can start today. It's all good. All right. So there you have it. If you're looking for a program, money-making program that actually works, you just found it right now.